Welcome to the world of luxury and performance, where elegance meets power. Today, we dive into the exquisite 2025 Aston Martin DBX707, a high-end sports SUV that redefines the standards of automotive excellence. Let's start with the exterior design of the Aston Martin DBX707, a seamless blend of sleekness and sophistication. From the new door handles to the iconic winged badge, every detail exudes a fresh and contemporary look that captivates the eye. Moving on to the interior and technology, Aston Martin has truly outdone itself with the DBX707. The in-house developed infotainment system and digital instrument panel offer a cutting-edge experience, while the luxurious materials and finishes elevate the cabin to new heights of sophistication. Under the hood, the DBX707 roars with power, boasting a V8 engine that propels it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Paired with advanced braking and differential systems, this SUV is not just a vehicle but a driving experience like no other. In terms of safety, the Aston Martin DBX707 is a pioneer in its class. With features like carbon ceramic brakes, electric anti-roll control, and dynamic safety systems, this SUV ensures a secure and confident driving experience for you and your loved ones. Compared to its peers, the DBX707 shines with its unique blend of performance and safety features. From dynamic handling to passive safety measures, this luxury SUV sets a new standard in the realm of high-end automotive excellence. In conclusion, the 2025 Aston Martin DBX707 is not just a vehicle, but a statement of luxury, power, and innovation. With its unrivaled blend of elegance and performance, this SUV redefines what it means to drive in style and sophistication.